Hello everyone, here I am with the next part of the video relating to bonus share. In my previous video, I have discussed regarding the meaning of bonus share and the objective of the issue of bonus share. So in this video, I'll start my discussion with the advantages of issue of bonus share. So both the company as well as the shareholder, they may be in an advantageous position whenever bonus share is issued. First, have a look at the advantages from the company's perspective. The first point is maintenance of liquid position. See, whenever a bonus issue is made, there is no outflow of cash. Since there is no outflow of cash, the liquidity position or the cash position of the company remains unaffected. Alright? যেতিয়া bonus share free issue কৰে কোম্পানী শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰক ক্যাশ নিদিয়ে কিন্তু কোম্পানী শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰক কি দিয়ে শ্বেয়াৰহে দিয়ে গতিকে there is no question of outflow of cash and therefore the company's cash position remains intact. The next point is reflection of real capital. While bonus issue are being made, what happens? The capital structure of the company tends to be more realistic. It tends to be more realistic because it represents the actual capital which has been employed by the company. Alright, here the actual capital employed means the total amount of capital which has been utilized by the company for acquiring profit. Company kiman capital employ কৰিছে বা utilize কৰিছে profit সংগ্ৰহ কৰিবলৈ বা profit acquire কৰিবলৈ. Next, increase in security to its creditors. Who are the creditors? Creditors are the lenders of the company. Those who lend to the company are called creditors. So whenever bonus issue is made, the creditor, they feel more secured because the creditor, they know that the cash position of the company is unaffected. So they are more secured towards getting their loan repaid by the company. ঠিক আছে ক্ৰেডিটৰ্সে ভাবে যে যেহেতু কোম্পানীৰ ক্যাশ পজিশনটো ঠিক আছে গতিকে তেখেতসকলে ইনসিকিউৰড হোৱা কোনো দৰকাৰ নাই পেমেন্টটো মানে ঘূৰাই পাব বুলি তেখেতসকলেও মানে কনফাৰ্ম হৈ থাকে নেক্সট reduction in the rate of dividend. Whenever bonus issue are made, the number of share of the company after the bonus issue is being made, it is increased, right? Share capital to increase হৈ যায় because the company issues shares, new shares to the company against new shares to its shareholder against their holding, which enables the company to reduce the high rate of dividend. ঠিক আছে কোম্পানীৰ যেটো ডিভিডেন্ডৰ যোনটো ৰেট হয় হেতু ৰিডিউস কৰিবলৈ কোম্পানী সক্ষম হৈ যায় কাৰণ কি কোম্পানীয়ে শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰক ফ্ৰী ৰিজাৰ্ভৰ পৰা বোনাছ ইস্যু কৰি পেলাই দিছে সেই কাৰণে কোম্পানীৰ ৰেট অফ ডিভিডেন্ডটো অলপমান কমাই দিবলৈ পাৰে এতিয়া আমি চাম যে শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰৰ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউৰ পৰা শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰৰ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউৰ পৰা কি এডভান্টেজ হ'ব পাৰে বোনাছ ইস্যুৰ শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰৰ কি এডভান্টেজ হ'ব পাৰে the first one is increase in holding without payment. Whenever bonus issue is being made, every shareholder, they get bonus share in certain proportion of their holding. So the shares are given to them, are issued to them free of cost. They will not have to pay for the shares which are issued to them. So তেতিয়া কি হয় what happens? আগত যদি কোনোবাই 5টা শেয়াৰ কৰিছিলে হেল্ড কৰিছিলে এতিয়া ধৰা সেই 5টাৰ এগেইনষ্টত কোম্পানী এটা বোনাছ শ্বেয়াৰ ইস্যু কৰিছে তাৰ মানে সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ শ্বেয়াৰহোল্ডাৰে 5টা শ্বেয়াৰ হেল্ড কৰা এগেইনষ্টত এটা শ্বেয়াৰ এক্সট্ৰা পাব এডিশনাল পাব তেতিয়া টোটাল শ্বেয়াৰ কিমান হ'ল 5টাৰ পৰা গৈ পেলাই 6টা হ'ল যদি কাৰোবাৰ 10টা আছিল 10টাৰ পৰা গৈ পেলাই কেটা হ'ব 12টা হ'ব ৰাইট সো ইট ইনক্ৰিজেস the proportion of their holding in the company. Next, easy trading of shares. See, the shares of the company after bonus issue can be easily sold and cash also can be realized. Trading of shares can be done after the bonus issue. The bonus issue of shares can be easily traded in the market. আৰু হেইটো bonus share to sell কৰি পেলাই যিটো টকা পাব সেই টকাটোকে কি বুলি কয় they are called capital gains and the shareholders may make capital gain out of the bonus share that has been issued to them. Next is feeling of contentment. So here feeling of contentment is feeling of happiness. Who will be happy? The shareholders will be happy whenever someone gets something free of cost. The individual or the person is of course happy, right? So they are getting shares free of cost here. So it is a feeling of contentment for them. So they are happy that the company is gaining, that the company is performing well, and for this reason the company has been able to give them share free of cost. The next one is no income tax liability. See, whenever dividend is declared, dividend is the distributable profit of the company, right? So যদিও shareholder dividend to পায়, সেই dividendৰ ওপৰত shareholder আকৌ income tax দিব লগা হয়, ঠিক আছে? তো ultimately dividend যিমান পায় তাৰে ওপৰত tax দিব লগা হয়, অলপমান তেখেতসকলৰ dividendটো কমি যায়। But in case of bonus issue, যেতিয়া company bonus issue কৰিব, সেই bonus issueৰ ওপৰত shareholder একো tax দিব দৰকাৰ নহয়। There is no income tax liability whenever a shareholder makes any kind of bonus issue. Alright? Now let's look at the disadvantage of bonus issue. Bonus issue কি disadvantage হ'ব পাৰে? So the first one is decline in the rate of dividend. Company যোনটো dividend rate আছে তো of course decline হৈ যাব, হেতু যদিও company কাৰণে ভাল, but for the shareholder it is a bit disadvantageous because they will get less dividend. যদি bonus issue নকৰিলে হেতেন হয়তো shareholder বেছি dividend পালে হেতেন, কিন্তু যেহেতু bonus issue কৰিছে কম dividend পাব shareholder. The next one is lengthy and cumbersome procedure. Lengthy and cumbersome procedure here means there are some procedural difficulty relating to the issue of bonus share. কিয় company মন গ'ল bonus share issue কৰিবলৈ নোৱাৰে, company permission ল'ব লাগিব। কাপ permission ল'ব লাগিব? SEBIৰ পৰা, the regulatory authority. They will have to give permission to the company, and the process of getting the permission, the process of getting the approval from the SEBI, is in itself lengthy as well as cumbersome. The next one is speculative dealing in share. So when a company applies to the SEBI, as I have said, the company has to apply to the SEBI for getting permission for making bonus issue. There may be some speculative dealing, alright, in the shares which has been issued in the market. কিছু ধৰণৰ speculative dealing মানে সন্দেহমূলক dealing হ'বলৈ পাৰে মাৰ্কেটত সেই শ্বেয়াৰসমূহৰ। Next question is, what are the sources from which bonus shares can be issued? কি sourceৰ পৰা মানে company ক'ৰ পৰা bonus share issue কৰিব? So there are different sources like free reserve of the company, securities premium reserve account পৰা কৰিব পাৰে, or capital redemption reserve account. So these are different kind of sources from where a company can issue bonus share, বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ পুঞ্জি। Next, what are the sources from which bonus share cannot be issued? কি sourcesৰ পৰা company bonus share issue কৰিবলৈ নোৱাৰে, ঠিক আছে? The first one is as per section 63 subsection 1, a company cannot issue bonus share by capitalizing reserve created out of revaluation of asset. কেতিয়াবা company কি হয় নিজৰ assetৰ valueটো আকৌ এবাৰ কৰিব পাৰে, তাৰমানে company নিজৰ assetৰ আকৌ এবাৰ মূল্যটো নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব পাৰে, right? So say suppose a company has a fixed asset, right, land. আকৌ এবাৰ যদি revalue landটো কৰিছে, আগৰ 10 বছৰ আগত যদি landৰ valueটো আছিলে 10 lakhs, এতিয়া চাগে landৰ valueটো 30 বা 50 lakhs হৈ গৈছে। So সেইটো processত যেতিয়া company gain কৰিব, সেইটো gain দি company bonus share issue কৰিবলৈ নোৱাৰে, ঠিক আছে? Next one is, as per section 63 subsection 3 of the Companies Act, a company shall not issue bonus share in lieu of dividend. This is a very important point. Company shareholder এনেকে ক'ব নোৱাৰে যে আমি dividendৰ ঠাইত in lieu of dividendৰ ঠাইত bonus issue কৰিম বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰে, ঠিক আছে? This is as per this section. They are not allowed to say so or do so. Company এনেকে কেতিয়াও ক'ব নোৱাৰে যে এই বছৰ আপোনালোকক আমি ডিভিডেণ্ড নিদো, যিখিনি আমি লাভ পাম সেই লাভটো গোটেইখিনি আমি bonus share দিম, তেনেকৈ বুলি ক'বলৈ নোৱাৰে, ঠিক আছে? The next one is, what are the secretarial formalities that has to be complied with for issuing fully paid up bonus share কি formalities company comply কৰিব লাগিব মানিব লাগিব the first one is the article of association of the company should authorize such issue company articles স্পষ্টকৈ লিখা থাকিব লাগিব যে হয় কোম্পানীয়ে ভৱিষ্যতত bonus share issue কৰিবলৈ পাৰে বুলি the next one the board has to recommend the issue of bonus share is a company bonus share issue কৰিব the board of directors in the meeting they will have to approve they will have to recommend যে yes bonus share issue আমি কৰিবলৈ পাৰো বুলি অলৰাইট তেখেতসকলে নিজৰ ৰেকমেণ্ডেশ্যন বা তেখেতসকলে নিজৰ permission grant কৰিবলৈ লাগিব approval দিব লাগিব তা মানে bonus share issue কৰিব কাৰণে the third is the company in a general meeting should authorize the issue of bonus share যেটা company general meeting হ'ব সেই general meeting অটো bonus share যে issue হ'ব হেতু সবে authorize কৰিবলৈ লাগিব বুলি কৈছে মানে সবে approve কৰিবলৈ লাগিব যে yes bonus share can be issued so with this we have come to the end of the video I hope you all have understood if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box thank you